Let me video more. See the flood level in the entire community. You can see houses, window level, roof level, and the rest. This is some of the past. I'm on the boat going right now. Let me just show you some parts. Yes, you can see this building, equivalent on window level. You can see it. You can see everywhere. Yes, I'm going towards our church. Pastor, the message you sent me, that's what I'm doing. I will still forward it to your account, to your WhatsApp account, to see more of it. You can see your towel. You can see it very well. You can see my auntie's house and Mama Foreigner. Yeah.